Hey guys, it's Jessica Reyes here at Toyota of North Charlotte, and today we're walking you around the 2024 Toyota RAV4. Listen, this SUV doesn't look too different from the 2023 model. However, and I said that in all caps, it offers both hybrid and gasoline options, with the hybrid getting better fuel efficiency than the gasoline models. So be sure to check out the handy links below to help you get started with your shopping process if you want to get behind the wheel of this SUV today. So let's jump into it. Here's what you should know before you start shopping. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 comes in 13 different amazing models, 7 of which are hybrids. It has a starting MSRP of $31,475. That's not good. Now let's take a walk around the exterior to show you what this modernized SUV has to offer. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 has a sporty exterior. Just because it's efficient and affordable doesn't mean it can't bring major style to the table. While it hasn't changed too much from last year, it still has some pretty impressive features. And there's a special Woodland edition with 18-inch front wheels and unique two-tone paint colors to give this SUV a super modern look. Plus, there's a TRD trim you can opt for if you just want that, that extra spark. Also, you can choose from 18 different paint colors, including 9 two-tone exterior colors. Now, that's some variety, isn't it? It is, I know. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 has some amazing features that make it stand out from the other brands and an excellent choice for our road trip lovers. This SUV offers alloy wheels in multiple designs and sizes, modern LED lighting on those dark roads, and a rear spoiler and roof rails to take the exterior to a sporty new level. Also, there's an amazing panoramic moonroof that will let you soak up all the sunshine when you're hitting the highway. Yes, pull out the shades. Plus, the exterior has unique features like a power liftgate, so you don't have to struggle packing your gear in the trunk anymore. Not to mention, there's aerodynamic underbody panels to literally give you that zoom feeling. Now that we've seen what the exterior has to offer, let's slide into the driver's seat to check out the interior. When you open the door to the 2024 Toyota RAV4, the very first thing you'll notice is the modern and sleek interior. When you take a look around you, you'll notice the Softex trimmed seats that are heated and ventilated for maximum comfort. What's that color? Well, there's blue, red, dark brown, and orange accented interiors with special stitching and ambient lighting to give you that one-of-a-kind feeling. This SUV seats up to 5 people with plenty of cargo space. You may be asking, hey Jess, how much cargo space? Well, this SUV has 37.6 cubic feet of cargo space, so you won't have to worry about fitting all of your adventure gear or your kids' stuff. Plus, there's also a height-adjustable rear cargo area deck board to load things at a comfortable level. And let's be real, this wouldn't be a true Toyota without having features that make your life super easy and seamless. If you know, you know. There's Qi charging so you can lose those cords. I always forget mine, queen of that. As well as the smart key system with a push button start. But hey, if you're all about keeping cords in your ride, then you'll have 5 USB ports to make it easy and convenient. And you can keep things super cool with dual zone automatic climate control so that everyone can have a temperature that they're comfortable with. Now, you've seen what it's like to sit in the driver's seat. Let's pass it over to Paul so he can take it for a spin and tell us what it's like to really get behind the wheel.
All right, the Toyota RAV4 drives very nice. It's certainly a vehicle you can get in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, so it's very responsive to all your needs. I honestly drive this vehicle a lot because it's our top seller, and I can tell you that it is very quiet. And I feel like it does a really good job as you're driving down the road, giving you a very smooth drive, and it's just quiet overall. So I think it's a great driving vehicle and just a great commuter as well.
So we already know that the 2024 Toyota RAV4 comes in both gasoline and hybrid, right? Yeah, we know that. Okay, well this gives you the power to choose which option you want. Although we're most definitely partial to the hybrid for its fuel efficiency, The gas models get an average of 30 miles per gallon combined, and the hybrid models get an average of 39 miles per gallon combined. Either way, it's impressive for this SUV. Now let's get under the hood and check out the engine. You'll have the option of a hybrid engine or a standard 4-cylinder engine. Both of these engine options give you the freedom to choose what's best, basically for your needs. Also, you can find an 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive to give you more control of your drive time. And there is multiple drive modes on this SUV, including Sport, Eco, Normal, EV mode, and Trail mode. Plus, if you opt for the TRD off-road model, which I know you will, you can have the options of having a multi-terrain select with mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow, normal drive modes, and downhill assist control. Has 8.6 inches of ground clearance to help you navigate that rocky terrain. Tons of options when it comes to this SUV, right? Now let me ask you this, is towing more of your cup of tea? Okay, then you'll be happy to know that this SUV can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Moving on, let's talk about technology and safety. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 is not only an off-roading vehicle, but also a great family car with all the safety it has to offer. This new Toyota comes with a Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 that has a whole array of safety features to ensure your safety no matter where your busy life takes you. It also has a blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, as well as panoramic view monitor that gives you a second set of eyes around you on the road. This SUV also offers Star Safety System and 8 airbags, as well as latch system to keep everyone safe in your SUV during the entire road trip. And yeah, there's more. If you need a little extra help backing into a parking space, then the backup camera with grid lines will help you get there with ease. Now, it's time to get into the technology that's in this model. The very first thing you'll notice when you get behind the wheel is the impressive 10.5-inch Toyota Audio multimedia system. This is where you'll control things like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM radio, and more. You'll also have the option of an 11-speaker JBL sound system to take your listening to the next level. Oh, and there's even a digital rearview mirror so that you can check your surroundings with ease. Let's end it out with thoughts from Paul.
I'm here to give you my perspective on the 2024 Toyota RAV4. First, I do love that the infotainment system of the vehicle was updated. So you have wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. On this particular limited model, you get tons of features like a 10.5-inch screen, a 12.5 multi-informational display. You can get wireless charger optional, and even a panoramic roof optional. The vehicle definitely does drive very nice. It is comfortable. It is really for the day-to-day driving, for anybody that wants to sit up high, that doesn't want a sedan anymore, but also wants a fuel economy of a car. And that's why the RAV4 is so versatile. You can really do anything with it. You can carry a lot of things. It's very comfortable for the family, and it's a great daily driver. And most importantly, a very reliable car.
Let us know what you think of this all-new Toyota in the comments below. If you like what you saw in the 2024 Toyota RAV4, why not get started putting one in your driveway today? Use our online shopper tool conveniently located below to put together your deal and customize your monthly payments. You can also call Toyota of North Charlotte at 704-875-9199 or stop by 13429 Statesville Road for your test drive. We're just off I-77 at exit 23 in Huntersville.